Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton. That's D as in Delta, Alton. And this is my channel. Now, I got a brand new unboxing I'm going to do. I did one before earlier and I didn't like the sound quality, so I had to do some fixing on some things. So hopefully the sound quality is much better now. Okay. And if you can hear me a lot better than the old one I did, please put in a comment. I hear you better. Okay. That's all you need to put. All right. Now, before I get started, I want to thank my existing subscribers and my brand new subscribers. Thank you. And all my viewers. Okay. A lot of people view me are not subscribers, and that's cool. This is America. You don't have to be. Okay. Now, also, I ask you to check out my playlist and my podcast. Okay. I have a lot of stuff on there that some of the new subscribers never seen, so you can check that out. All right. Now, this is going to be an unboxing. All right, my people. This is going to be an unboxing, and it's brand new. This is March 2025. Okay. It's going to be an unboxing of the Moto G Play. That's right, Moto G Play. I picked this up. Clearly, I needed it. Okay. I won't be using this phone for my, as my main phone, but I love it and I have plans for it. Okay. This particular phone, you all know I usually get into stuff from Dollar Tree or whatever for $1.25 or $5. All right. But this one is going to be exception to the rule. This phone I picked up for $60 at Family Dollar. Now, it's by track phone, okay? But if you have SafeLink, I was told if you have SafeLink Lifeline, you can upgrade your phone you can use it with your SIM card and upgrade your phone that way, okay? Of course, you gotta call SafeLink to make sure because all providers change over time, all right? So that's also another good thing. All right, now I have my notes here and I have my water. So I'm gonna give you a second to get your drink, your chips, whatever. All right, and we can do this. And I'm gonna get right into it. Okay, I'm not gonna delay. I'm gonna get right into it. Here it is. Clearly by track phone. Hope you can see that. Look how pretty that is. All right, let me show you the back because it got specs on the back. Not bad, huh? A little closer. All right. So this is the Moto G Play. Okay, this is a newer phone. Now I'm gonna put my mic down for a second so I can unbox it for you. All right, so let's do this. Comes with a charger, very nice, heavy duty charger. Feels sturdy, feels good, and it's long, which is nice. Not one of the little sharp ones, it's long. Okay, comes with this book. in English and in Spanish. All right. It gives you a little bit more detail. Track phone details, terms and agreements. All about how to operate it, okay? Including your SIM card. It's in here. And of course, this is a tool that you'll need to put your SIM card and your memory card in your phone. Nice. So they give you everything you're gonna need. Okay, getting this ready for you. All right, now I love the color. This is blue. This is the back. Beautiful blue, look at that. Isn't that pretty? You can see that with the light. How pretty that is. That's 2 cameras. Okay, that's pretty, isn't it? This is the front. Clean. Okay. Now, I'm gonna run over some specs with you real quick. Again, this is the Moto G Play. I got this at Family Dollar, $60. That includes tax, okay? Now, it has unlimited carryover when you activate it. So if you want to use track phone and you activate it, let's do it this way. It has unlimited carryover, so when you activate it, if you want to use track phone, when you activate this, it has unlimited carryover. I mean, you carry over all your minutes and data and add it to your whatever new card you add onto it, or new minutes. All right. Also, this is a. Oh yeah, track phone also now has a widget that works pretty good, so you can keep track of your minutes and your data. Okay. No contract. I repeat, no contract. These days, that's kind of hard to beat. All right, now it has a 6.5. I'm looking down at my notes, so if you're looking down, that's a 6.5 HD fluid 90 hertz display. Now, you can watch videos, you can enjoy it. It's big enough even to do a little bit of work on it, okay? Now this baby, also, the back camera, you're gonna love this. Back camera is 50 megapixels. I don't know why I can't say that, but you know what I'm saying. 50, which is nice clear pictures for entry-level phone, okay, and videos. The front one is 8 MPs, okay, and that's average. But 50 MP for the back, that's not average. That is way above average for most of these like phones you're gonna buy at the store. Okay, the entry-level phone. That's really, really good. Okay. Now, as I said, the front camera, I don't know if you can see that. Yep, there you go. So I give you that. That front camera, 8 MP. Okay. The battery holds up for 46 hours. Of course, that's up to you. Because if you're a power user, that can be definitely less than that. And if you're not a power user, it definitely can get up to 46 hours. It has a big battery in it. Okay. So that's really, really good. Now, also, I love this part. It has 64 gigs of memory in it, Most of these phones that you buy, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, even online, entry-level phones, um, the most you're gonna get is 32 gigs. This has 64 gigs. And the memory is expandable. So it can go all the way up to 512 gigs with a SD card. Okay, and you can get SD cards pretty cheap now. All right. I think you can get like a 32-bit one for $5 on if you check Amazon. Okay, and look for the lowest price one. So that's not bad. So you definitely can get, especially if you're video takers, you love doing videos. That's pretty nice to be able to go up to 512 gigabytes. Okay. Now, it is equipped with Wi-Fi calling. Okay, so yes, you can do your Wi-Fi calling. Yeah, save your minutes, save your data. Talk to people on Wi-Fi, even Zoom with this baby. Okay? Now, there's a technical term. I don't know what it is, and if you do, put it in the description box below. Let me know. HAC. I don't know what that stands for, but the rating is the HAC rating of M3-T3. So apparently that means something. I don't know what, but okay, that's pretty. And it's big. It's decent enough to see and watch videos on and travel with you and everything. And I'm telling you, the cases for this, all right, the cases for these, very nice. They have a lot of them online that you can get at an inexpensive price. Very nice. All right. So that is my unboxing. All right. And I hope you enjoyed it. I ask you to give this video or any of my videos a thumbs up. I ask you to check out my playlist. If you get bored and want to see some other videos, okay. I do thank you for those who donate. I thank you for your donations. You don't have to do that, okay. YouTube is my hobby, not my job. So I know that some of y'all need to upgrade your phones, right? Just like moi. All right, so I'll rap to y'all later. Peace.